model is normally fixed, right? But the situations change. They do change every day, every week, every month. But we are fixed the managerial plans already, right? In this linear model, we don't have enough time for adaptation. We don't have enough scope for adaptation. So the adaptation model change, the fix, shift the focus of the strategy from sequential planning decisions to continuous adjustments of relationship between organization and its larger environment. So we are now not following the fixed strategic decision. We are changing as per the environment is changing. So our decisions keep on changing. So the adaptive model requires us to change every time. So it need to be flexible enough, correct? Because as per this model, organization is an open system which has dynamic environment. Customer expectations change, correct? Supplier expectations change. The way we communicate change is now changing, and it will continue to change, correct? Previously we were manual, then paper came, then telephone came, right? Now email came, now messaging comes. Someday some other solution will come very soon. We don't know, but something will come, right? Artificial intelligence is coming. So you may not need to be able to say anything. You will have a machine on your head. The other person will have a machine on their head. Whatever you say, they no need to even say. Whatever you think, they know. Correct? It will come. So the environment keep on changing. So we need to align the changes in the environment with the capability and resources of organization. So we need to always keep on changing our strategy, adapt what is the organization, what is the environment offering us, the risk, opportunities. You have understood and learned already the SWOT, right? Strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So mostly what is internal?
Weakness
and strength. So internal are weakness and strength, and opportunities and threats are external to us, right? So we need to adapt our business with our opportunities and threats what we are getting from external environment, correct? So but it's less centralized. Adaptive model is, you cannot have a centralized model in adaptive model because it needs to change very fast. So it's less centralized, less integrated and more multifaceted than the linear model, but still top management responsibility still remains at the top management. So based on the organic metaphor of system theory, the strategic communication is more than just messages. It's more on persuading the stakeholders, right? It includes the communication, and the process involves in the adaptation, information exchange, feedback process within the organization and together with its environment. So it's internal and external both, and it requires message and the feedback both, right? Not only one way, both ways. So adaptive models are usually still adaptive, still flexible enough, but not yet flexible to get the bottom level. So that's why we have interpretive model. The third one is interpretive. It is more open, more decentralized. So it's a way